makikita mo na talagang very distinct yung mga characters nila. And nakakatuwa, sobrang nakaka-proud. Congratulations sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Bad Genius, mula kay Direk at sa production, sa writers lahat. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Napakaganda.
Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi first series ni Natasha, and congrats to her kasi she worked really hard, and congrats to everyone in the Bad Genius cast because you guys did great. First episode pa lang, ganda na. So, congrats guys, keep it up.
Yung trabahong ginawa ni Natasha, the hard work that they all did, the whole cast, it all showed. Ngayon lang ako umatid ng premiere na hindi ko pelikula. Tuwan-tuwa ako. Nanood ako as a viewer, not as a father, not as an actor, but as a viewer, and nagandahan talaga ako. I'm saying this not because Natasha's my daughter and Project Ito, but I say this as a viewer. Maganda talaga yung pagkagawa. So sa buong ng Bad Genius sa inyong lahat, from the cast, Gab, Hyacinth, Jairus, Direct, and the DOP, the production team, everyone sa inyong lahat, congratulations. Napakaganda nito.